If you love colors and vibrant personalities, then you're going to adore macaw parrots. Let's explore why. Macaws are not just birds, they're living rainbows. With their stunning, multicolored feathers and playful personalities, they're the superstars of the parrot world. These intelligent creatures can mimic sounds, solve puzzles, and even learn tricks. Plus, they have big hearts to match their big beaks. Did you know some macaws can live up to 60 years? That's a lifetime of friendship and fun. Whether they're soaring through the treetops or chilling on your shoulder, macaws bring a burst of color and joy to every moment. So next time you see a macaw, remember, you're looking at a feathered masterpiece. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey.